We are here to honor Constable MITHUN Mandal, tragically succumbed to his injuries when the Tangkul militants initiated firing from their fortified bunkers located surrounding our villages.
Hello guys, tunil ahi video thakha ne vekin hotin tuni video ahi zani kha venia BSF kisokha pa chama candle hungkidat piding ahi in chi tunil ahi kumite hon kahin bol ahi in ama achina mon chana lai ahi candle lighting kahin bol ahi in program cham khat kahin mandi ahi in media azat zat thki thang ho cho ini ta san lo ahi in za cha tunil ahi cham khat program kahin man sungo hi ani video in EPP lam kai honan sei deu mani nga oto
Aun Constable MITHUN Mandal ama umtahi zongle security khat hi na Indian citizen khat hi na eho ben bit na chu laya hi deploy hi wangsi dom ta in ama mahapun anom tapoi sia chu tunin khwa hi committee hi lawala CSO working committee okur ai lo le ông xã sĩ mang bắt tâm hi ông cũng có chẳng hi ở đây là ngày lúc nào vẽ xã na giá na khát chụp yêu thế thì chú bắt trong trái thì mình trả tiền tiền ở ban mà nên bảo cho chơi xe sẽ chú ở đây là giá na khát chụp yêu thế ama hi local pastor pa hi in ở ban là hi NP president pa Apanin Kusung Mantri Bu Apanin KW Kamkayo Hindi Secretary Buhin Keso Secretary Buhin Tiam Donoi He Na Chu Hindi No Ka Chu Betsa Chu Ngai Te Te Hi Cha Chu Tua Hi Sapau Yom Chom Cha There is a traditional song in paying respect to the departed soul, Constable MITHUN Mandal. 12 of April 2026. In this village, we have a short program, short services to pay our last respects to Constable MITHUN Mandal. So I would like to request His Mercy, Vice President Admin KSO Yukro, to address the gathering.
Good evening, everyone.
good evening
This evening, we gather here under the light of these candles, carrying grief, remembrance, and resolve. We are here to honor Constable MITHUN Mandal, who was critically injured on 10th April 2026 around 4:50 p.m. on the line of duty here in this very place, Chepu, and tragically succumbed to his injuries later that evening. The unfortunate day of 10th April 2026 began with an uneasy calm. Unlike other days, the morning saw a brief pause in violence and life tried to carry on. Villagers going about their routines, some playing carol there at the very waiting shed, some playing Ludo, some sharing conversations with the Jawans of BSF on patrol duty, safeguarding the villagers and the village. Everyone holding on to a fragile sense of normalcy under constant uncertainty. But that calm did not last. As the day progressed, sudden escalation of violence were seen around 1:30 p.m. when the Tangkul militants initiated firing from their fortified bunkers located surrounding our villages. In another instant that very same day, around 1:40 p.m., there was a targeted firing at Mr. Jamkumang and family who were unloading goods for their grocery shops in front of their shop. The situation remained tense and unpredictable, with multiple distressing incidents unfolding across the area. In the midst of this turmoil, Constable MITHUN Mandal remained on duty, carrying out his responsibility to safeguard, protect lives, and maintain order in extremely challenging conditions. It was during this escalation that he was gravely injured by a stray bullet fired from a bunker at Lilin Hill, which is located in Sharkapung, Tangkul village. Despite the chaos of the day, his final moments stand as a reminder of duty, courage, and sacrifice in the face of danger. There are differing accounts circulating about the incident in social medias and even the mainstream media houses. Let them bark lies and propaganda. We know our truth. And in this moment of sorrow, we choose not to be divided by confusion or speculation. This evening, we are not here for propaganda. We are here for truth. We are here for respect and honor. We are here because a man took a bullet that was meant for us. He gave his life in service, and that cannot be rewritten or softened for anyone's comfort. This evening, we firmly reject any attempt to dilute, distort, or politically color the truth of what happened on that unfortunate day. We will not allow the sacrifice of this brave soul to be reduced to convenient narratives. As these candles burn, they carry our promises. Constable MITHUN Mandal will be remembered with honor, and his sacrifice will live forever in our hearts. May his soul rest in peace. We, the cookies, stand in solidarity with the family of Constable MITHUN Mandal and the BSF fraternity. Jai Hind. Thank you.
I want to get to Ruya. One way to Ruya to Bolusi. A payong a shayong, Kanayong, Yong, Mihim, moving up to Boletane. Tai Bolo, he one way, Mihim Joshi. A moody, head deal, Yadu. Do I in Muluwa, Kusuma, Chia. A matigate over him, Kusumi. A marine of him, at the home, Tangan. The Conan Hoyo Shiva Kuna. You can do it, not even get Papa Chilling a town and Mankati, out there. One lay petty. chỉ tin hình năng mình để xí mà hình hồ lê về mình hình dấu xí năng mà xem có sao cái hình cái trên bạc cái vàng xí đúng tên thì chỉ cái tầm cái đó nó
Jadi tak pernah
Okay.